Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to use Docusign. Excuse my laundry basket over there. If you're a new realtor, you're gonna be using Docusign all the time. And I'm gonna show you how to use Docusign, whether you're doing it from an agent's perspective or if you're doing it as a buyer or seller, as a client signing it. And let's get started. Docusign. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to docusign.com, which I've already done. And then you're gonna click login to your account. If you don't already have one, you'll have to purchase it. So sign or get signatures. If you are, I'm gonna do this. First off, I'm going to send something. Say you need to send a document to your client for them to sign. So I'm gonna say new, send an envelope. Instead of sign, you're gonna say send, and then right here you're gonna say upload, and then I'm gonna type in, for me, I'm just gonna type in change order form because I know what that is. So this is the document that I just uploaded that I'm going to send to my client to have them sign. All right. And then after this, I'm going to scroll down to name. I'm just gonna send it to myself, but in reality, you would type in your client's name here, and then you type in your client's email address down below. And then if you are going to send it to someone else as well, say there's two, you're sending it to your sellers and there's two names on the title, you're gonna click add receptant or recipient or whatever that word is. And then you're going to type in the other person's name right here and then email address. So I'm not gonna do that though. I'm just gonna click next. Loading. All right, here we are. So usually I would have this already filled out myself. But for now, I'm just going to say, so click right here and then signature. So easy. And then date. So I'm pretending I'm the seller. So it's my name, but this is what I would say, owner, authorized, and then I would usually sign here. And then say you were sending something where you needed, maybe I want them to put the date here. And I want them to put the price in, even though I'd usually fill this out myself. I'm just gonna put text there. So say I want them to fill in the address, I'm gonna put text there. So that's all you have to do in order to send a document to your clients. To sign, and then you just click send. Yay! Okay, so now that is done, I just showed you guys how to send. I just showed you guys how to send a document to your clients to sign it. Now I'm going to show you how to sign a document. So this is if maybe another realtor sent you something to sign, or your brokerage did, or I don't know, or maybe you are a buyer or a seller and you need to know how to sign a document. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. This is the email I received. I'm gonna click review document. So when you send a document to your clients to sign, it's gonna go straight to their inbox. So this is what it's gonna look like. Allow, continue. And then, all right, so see, I was a little off with where I put it, but I'm just gonna say 777 Apple Street is the address. So see, this is what it looks like when you receive it. Listing price, let's say 900,000. Woohoo! And then down here, to sign it, all you do, it already says the date, you just click it and your name automatically appears, and then you click finish and then it automatically sends back to the person who sent it to you. So easy. Thank goodness for Docusign. What would we do without it? Okay, so now that we've done the first two things, we have, I've showed you guys how to send a document to your clients or to whoever to sign. And then I showed you guys how to sign a document that you receive. Now, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is how to, how to sign a document yourself that no one sent you, you're just signing it yourself on Docusign. Okay, so I'm back to my home screen of Docusign. And I'm saying, and I click on new, and instead of saying send an envelope like you would if you were to get your client's signature, you're just gonna say sign a document. I'm gonna upload a document. I'm gonna say the same. I'm just gonna say change order form just because I know what that one is. It's just blank. So I'm just gonna use that one, and then you just click sign. And now you are able to text. You can type owner's name, M-A-R-I-A-H. See? Oh my gosh, so easy. So you just put text box anywhere you want, and then you're able to just fill it out. You can do that with the listing price. You can just put the date in there. And then, whoops, to put your signature, there's a thing for checkbox. So if you need to check a box, I'm gonna check all these boxes. I'm like totally missing the box. Okay, and then to get your signature, you just sign and date, and then you click finish, and easy as that. You purchase Docusign, you pay for a subscription of it. If you are a realtor, then you pay to use it. But if you are a buyer and someone is just sending you documents, or you're a seller and your agent is sending you documents to sign, you don't need to pay for it in that case. I just wanted to make that clear. If you have a client who is relocating to Oregon and you're a realtor in another state, send them my way. I would love to give you a referral fee. If you are not a real estate agent, but you're somehow watching this video and you are thinking about making a move, contact me and I would love to set you up with a solid realtor in your area.